If you are actively trading in the New York Stock Exchange, one of the most active exchanges in the world, you should be very thankful. Its total daily transactions are averaging approximately at $50 billion, making it the largest stock exchange in the United States in terms of dollar volume. There are many individuals who want to get their feet wet on the ground of this New York City-based stock exchange. Yet, you are luckier if you are actively involved in trading foreign currencies, or commonly known as Forex trading, which is considered to be the largest market on the world. Its average daily trading turnover is approximately $2 trillion, exceeding the combined magnitude of all other equity markets, including the New York Stock Exchange. Thus, you are luckier since you have the opportunity of getting more profits out of that $2 trillion traded every day. If you are not yet involved in Forex trading, then you are currently missing the benefits of trading foreign currencies, 24-hour trading time, transactions conducted in real time, extreme liquidity, and others. Thus, you should decide to get a Forex trading account and start trading right away. However, just like other types of investment, you must be aware of what kind of ground you are stepping into. In other words, before getting a live Forex trading account, you must be properly educated first about the background of Forex trading. You must learn how you will maximize your earning potentials as well as decrease the risk that you are into through practicing with free demo accounts. Moreover, you must have a trading system to follow and the necessary tools that will help you analyze varying conditions of the Forex market to position yourself on the profiting aspect of a certain trade. Once you know what you are getting into, you are now ready to get your live Forex trading account, web-based trading system and platform, and other tools that you will need in your Forex trading career. Most neophyte Forex traders obtain their trading accounts and platforms through a Forex brokerage company or agents. There are many brokerage firms out there and you need to be selective, or else you will suffer the adverse consequences. If you are still uncertain which Forex trading company you will trust in the early start of your Forex trading career, why don't you try ACM Forex? They probably got what you need and at the same time the key towards the success of your Forex trading career. ACM Forex stands for Advanced Currency Markets Forex, a Swiss-based online Forex trading company that is founded in the city of Geneva, Switzerland in 2002. Since it was founded on that year, ACM is now one of the major Forex institutions, particularly in online day trading, with an average monthly trade volume of $70 billion. They offer their clients quick access to the speculative Forex market through online dealing platforms that allows forward and stop trading of 27 pairs of foreign currencies as well as of several precious metals. If you will open a live Forex trading account with ACM Forex, you will receive several benefits such as the following. WYCIWYG, or what you click is what you get, advantage. It means that the price you clicked on at the start of the deal will be the price you are executed at, thus no single movement on the foreign currency price. NRFQ, or no request for quote. You can click on any live streaming price list and there are no requisites even on fast markets. Expect that there will be no dealer intervention and timers. There will be no commission collected for every transaction that will be completed using the ACM Forex trading platform. All profits will go to your pockets and not to somebody else. You are allowed to have multiple online trading platforms for maximized trading flexibility. With ACM Forex, your risk is only limited to deposits or funds. Thus, you will never owe more than what you have invested in your Forex trading account. This means that there are no negative balances whatsoever. You can open a live Forex trading account for as low as $5,000. There are 27 pairs of foreign currencies that you can trade within several clicks. You have access to 24-hour foreign currency trading and technical support services even on weekends. There are no confirmation delays, only instant and real-time trade executions. Secured online trading platform. Technical analysis and real-time charting tools for your market evaluation tasks. With ACM Forex, the start of your Forex trading career is as good as a veteran trader. A good jump start and continuous success awaits you in ACM Forex.